Hello, I'm Stephen A. King. Welcome to King's Justice. Today we're going to be talking about knowing your rights and how to use them when being approached by law enforcement. This segment should better help you understand your rights and how to handle these types of situations. During most police encounters, the officers hold an overwhelming power of advantage, not only because they represent the power and authority of the state, but also because most people are unprepared to handle the pressure of these situations. The best way to invoke your rights is to say the magic words. I'm going to remain silent. I would like to see a lawyer. These two sentences completely invoke your Miranda rights. Memorize them. The reason for memorizing this particular formula is that it's easy to make mistakes. For example, some people say, I take the fifth. That's good, but it doesn't remind you of what you're supposed to be doing. Remaining silent and waiting for your lawyer. If you say, I'll take the fifth, and then keep on talking, you cancel the effect. Not only will the police be able to go on speaking to you, but everything you say to them will be used against you in court. Another mistake is being unsure of yourself, as in, I think maybe I'd like to remain silent, or do you think I should talk to a lawyer? Usually people do this because they're nervous, or they don't want to seem impolite. But the police immediately take advantage of this sort of shyness to talk the suspect into answering questions. You have to be firm. Try this. To offset the fact that you're not answering the officer's question, it is important to convey respect through your tone of voice and facial expressions. An officer who believes you're being cocky is likely to indulge in unprofessional conduct. It is important to stick to your guns on this because the cops will try to convince you that invoking your Miranda rights and a right to an attorney is not a good idea, because lawyers tend to make things complicated. And by you not saying anything, they won't be able to put anything good in their report about you, and the DA won't know your side of the story. Resist all of this trickery. By properly invoking your Miranda rights and the right to an attorney, the officer should not be able to keep coming back and questioning you. If they leave and come back to try again later, it means you didn't invoke properly the first time. So try it again until you get it right and be firm.